Do you ever feel like you have so much to say, but the English words just disappear when you need them?
Or maybe you freeze up, feeling embarrassed when someone asks you a simple question in English?
You're not alone. Many English learners feel this way.
But what if I told you that you can improve your English, build your confidence, and even have fun, all by using everyday situations?
Even something as simple as waiting for a bus.
Welcome to our channel, Everyday Spoken English. We're Emily and Paul, and we believe learning English should be easy, fun, and something you can do anywhere.
If you're ready to start speaking more confidently, then you're in the right place.
And hey, if you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. It really helps us out.
Today, we're talking about improving your English at the bus stop. It might sound funny, but it's a fantastic opportunity.
Think about it. You're waiting. You have a few minutes. What can you do? You can observe. You can think. You can even practice speaking, quietly at first.
It's all about using those little pockets of time we have every day. Instead of just scrolling on your phone, you can use that time for English practice.
Let's break it down. What can you actually do times at a bus stop to improve your English?
First, observation. Look around you. What do you see?
You see people, buildings, signs, the sky, the road. You can practice describing these things in your head.
For example, you might see a red bus. You can think, that's a red bus, or the bus is coming.
Or you might see a person with a big bag. You can think, that person has a large bag.
This is great for building your vocabulary and practicing simple sentence structures.
Now, let's move to something a little more active. Practicing speaking.
I know this can be the scariest part, but we'll start small.
Try saying simple phrases out loud, but maybe quietly, so only you can hear.
For instance, if you're looking at the bus schedule, you can say, when does the next bus come?
Or, if you're checking the bus number, you can say, is this the number 10 bus?
This helps you get comfortable with the sounds of English.
Here's a mini role play. Imagine you are asking someone if this is the right bus stop. You can say,
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
and if they say yes, you can reply, thank you.
Let's try that again. Say it with me. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for downtown?
Good. Now, what if they say no? You can say, oh, okay, thank you.
This is about practicing common questions and polite responses.
Another great thing to practice is describing your journey, even if you're just waiting.
You can think, I am waiting for the bus, or I need to go to the library.
You can even practice small talk if you feel brave.
Imagine you see someone else waiting. You could say, it's a nice day, isn't it?
And they might reply, yes, it is.
Or, the bus is a little late today.
These are simple, natural conversations.
Now I want you to try something. Pause this video for just 10 seconds.
Look around you right now, wherever you are.
And think of one thing you see. Then, say a simple sentence about it out loud.
Ready? Pause now.
Did you do it? Great job! Even that small step is progress.
The most important thing is to keep trying. Don't worry about making mistakes.
Think of learning to speak English like a baby learning to walk. They fall down many times, but they keep getting up.
Every time you try to speak, even if it's just a few words, you are getting stronger. You are learning to walk in English.
Perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal.
So, to recap today's bus stop English tips.
1. Observe and describe what you see. Think simple sentences.
2. Practice speaking common questions and answers, even quietly.
3. Practice short, polite phrases for small talk.
Remember, these small moments add up. The bus stop is your classroom.
So, your challenge for today is to use these tips the next time you're waiting for a bus.
Try to say at least one English sentence. It can be about what you see, or a simple question.
And if you feel comfortable, share one sentence you practiced in the comments below.
We love reading your comments and seeing your progress.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday Spoken English. We hope you found this helpful and motivating.
Please give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and fun English lessons.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye for now.